What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm gonna take you from A to Z on how you can make 105K a year as a digital closer. Let's go. Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
What does it take to make 105K a year as a digital closer? One word.
Consistency.
Ashley.
Yo.
What does it take to make 105K a year as a digital closer?
Dedication, baby. What's up?
Run it. All right, so here is what I believe. For some of you, this series that I'm gonna show you right now, that I'm gonna teach you, can truly change your life. It can set you on a whole new course. Now, I know this world has trained us. A lot of us have been taught, I know I have, proceed with caution, keep our guard up, be safe, stay in a safe place. I love that. Keep it in, okay? Keep that part about you. If at any point during this video you feel like, hey, I'm not being authentic, I'm trying to convince you of something, that's not my intention, and turn the video off. It's all good. But if you are in a situation that you feel like you're not getting paid what you're worth, you don't like the freedom or not having the freedom, you have to go into work every day, or you're in a position that's just not fulfilling, do this for me. Dive all in, lock in with me. It's gonna be a lot of information. New information brings about new opportunity. So dive in with this series. I'm gonna give you everything I know. I wanna give it all away. All right, let's get it.
So we've all seen these companies, these business owners online marketing their product or service. What are they doing? They're selling what we like to call high ticket. High ticket is anything from $2,000 and up. So we think of something 2, 5, a lot of times 10, sometimes even up to $50,000 and $100,000 for these products and these services. What a digital closer does is they come in and they partner with these companies. And since the business owner or the entrepreneur is busy working on the business instead of in the business, the closer will step in, hop on calls with potential clients, AKA prospects, and if the prospect is a good fit, they'll sign them up for the product or service. Since the digital closer has allowed the entrepreneur so much valuable time and ultimately allowed them the freedom to work on their business instead of in the business, the entrepreneur is happy paying anywhere from 10 to 30% for every deal the digital closer brings in. The closer gets the benefit because obviously they get to hop on calls with prospects who are already interested, they're already warm, it's not cold calling, they're not trying to sell somebody something they don't want. And if they sign them up, they make anywhere from a couple $100s to a couple $1,000s just for hopping on a sales call. And as the closer, you're not creating an entire business. What a lot of people aren't gonna tell you is when you start your own business, you're gonna have to deal with marketing, operations, HR, billing, refunds, customer service. As a business owner, the to-do list really does not stop. And so the digital closer can technically start the process of becoming an entrepreneur without actually taking on all the responsibilities that come with starting a business. All it is you partnering with a successful company and making commission selling proven products. So in this video series, I'm literally gonna give you everything that I have on how you can be a six-figure digital closer. Here is the overview on how I'm gonna do that. Number one, the first step is gonna be alignment. We're gonna talk about mindset, which so many people overlook, and then we're gonna talk about finding your niche as a digital closer. Next, we're gonna talk about skilling up. This is where you go into the drawer, you pull out your knives and you sharpen it. You gotta sharpen your blade. You have to build the skills so you can start closing and making money at an efficient rate. And then the final step is we're gonna talk about partnering. One of the biggest keys is you need to find a company that not only sells a high ticket product or service, but sells a quality high ticket product or service. All right, so that's the end of the first video. Hope you enjoyed it. And we will start the journey of becoming a six-figure digital closer in the next video. Let's go.